Mobile phone with Aero compatibility. This 3D Touch LCD screen replacement only fits for 6.1-inch iPhone 11, fit for models A2111, A2223, A2221, not for XR, 11 Pro Max, 12 or any other models. Please make sure you identify the model of your device correctly before purchase. Loudspeaker upgrade LCD screen. This iPhone 11 Digitizer featured with exclusive colors. High brightness, high saturation and sensitive touch response. The 3D Touch and Face ID will be working as the original screen after replacing the screen. This iPhone 11 LCD can be used to repair faulty and defective screens. Fix all kinds of screen issues like lagging touch response, distortion pixels, cracked screen, wrong color display, and dead screen. Give your phone a new look. White heavy checkmark. Easy installation. Every iPhone 11 screen replacement is pre-installed with the back metal shield. The iPhone 11 screen replacement installation video will be sent to you after placed an order. Newbie can complete the installation by following the instruction. Note: please transfer the original camera